Okay, the question is one end of a this metal long metal bar is in steam and other end is in contact with ice. So basically the situation is like this one is steam. Steam is of temperature how much? 100 degrees centigrade. And another end is at temperature how much? 0 degrees centigrade, because it is kept in contact with the ice. Now if 12 gram of ice melts per minute, so at this side what is happening, 12 gram of ice melts. So what is the heat required to melt a 12 gram of ice? So heat required to melt 12 gram ice. What is the amount? That is, it is the means just it is melting na, it is melting only. So means change of state is taking place. So no rise in temperature is saying here, only the melting. So m into mass into latent heat of fusion for delta q, means the heat required for melting the ice. So m means 12 gram into latent heat of ice is in CGS system it is given, so 80. So basically this much calorie. So 12 into 8 how much? Okay, let it live, let it be like this. 12 into 80 calorie, this much of heat is required. Okay, now per minute it is saying that melts per minute. So this much of heat is this much of heat is transferring from this side to this side per minute. Okay, not per second, it is per minute. So that means within 60 second all the things are happening. So within 60 second delta q amount of heat is transferred. So what is the formula for rate of heat transfer? Delta q by delta t is equals to k into a into delta theta by delta x. Now delta q means is the 12 into 80, this is the amount of heat transfer per minute. It was per minute, so I am dividing it with second for getting per second. Okay, is equals to k is the thermal conductivity, is not given, we have to find out this one actually, into cross sectional area is given in meter square unit. But all the things we are doing in is CGS system right now. All the things we are doing in CGS system. So but k was uh, in calorie unit we need. If we need all the things in calorie unit, we have to go with CGS system now. So a is 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square, so into 10 to the power 4 centimeter square, and this 2 will cancel, so I am not writing this. Okay, this is a, 5 is only a, because it is in CGS SI system. So 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square means 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 10 to the power 4 in centimeter square, this 2 will cancel and 5 centimeter square you will get. So this into delta theta. What is the delta theta? 100 minus 0, that means 100, divided by delta x. What is the length? 0.25. 0.25 in meter unit, so in centimeter unit it will be 25. So 25 times 4 is 100, 4 5 is 20, so basically it is 20k. That means 20k value is 12 into 6. Okay, if you cancel these terms also, then 0 0 cancel out, 6 2 0, so 2 8 16. So 12k is 16. Now what is the value of k? Is 16 by 20. 16 by 20 is equals to 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means approximately 0.8. And what will be its unit? So calorie per second, calorie per second per meter. So calorie second inverse meter inverse, sorry, centimeter inverse, calorie second inverse centimeter inverse, and temperature inverse also, so Kelvin inverse. This is the answer. Now if you want to convert this centimeter into meter, then just multiply it with 100, so you'll get 80 calorie per second inverse meter inverse Kelvin inverse. This will be the correct answer. So this is how you can do this question. This is very important question, and the one of the most means tricky part is this of this question. If 12 gram of ice melts per minute, okay, this is one of the most trickiest part, because means it is melting, ice is melting na, so ice is melting means latent heat, concept of latent heat will come, because means state change only takes place. Okay, this is the main fact. I hope you have no doubt. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Maybe there is some calculation mistake, just check, but process will be same as I have done. Okay, thank you for watching.